Okay, welcome guys, and this is a new gameplay I'm going to be doing today of Ratchet and Clank Into the Nexus. We'll see how far I can get and how fast I can beat it today. Let's get started. Today's word is well, let's get started. I don't want to make it too hard, so we're definitely not going to be playing it on Legend and Hero. I might get frustrated with it and start huffing and puffing. So let's start on easy with credit. I didn't even say credit. Wow. Okay, let's just start on easy. Forget that. Okay, let's get this game on the ball.
Some Terra tropes when we flew through the asteroid belt. What do you think?
Ratchet?
Oh, sorry.
I believe we simply need to recover the ion converter.
All right, let's get to it. Thanks, pal.
Incoming holocall from Hey, Ratchet! I can't breathe! No oxygen! Light flashing before my eyes!
I'm not listening.
Ratchet! I'm dying!
No, you're not.
Oh, fine. You know, you laughed the first time I did that.
I found it to be quite humorous.
Thanks, Clank. Our sensors picked up some sort of rupture in the Deck 3 power grid. Everything okay?
Yeah, that was my bad. Trying to save time by piloting through an asteroid field.
We will deliver the prisoner to the Vortex Detention Center in approximately 2 hours.
Then you'd better take her out of cryosleep now. The faster you turn her over to the Vortex guards, the better.
Oh, are you worried about us?
Vendra Prague isn't like the other criminals we faced. She's cold and empty in a way I've never seen. Promise me you won't go near her without Kronk and Zephyr, okay?
We'll check in with them right now. I've got everything under control, Tal. Don't sweat it.
I believe Kronk and Zephyr are still on the bridge.
10 volts say they fell asleep again. Oh, great. We'll put these here.
Spin bolts at Garmilnet vendors to purchase weapons. I probably didn't pronounce that right, but oh well.
Look how cute they are. We should wake them up gently.
What is it? Is Tacky on back?
Morning, Kronk.
Let's get some more bolts here.
Hey, Zeph. Sleep well? Rise and shine, fellas.
Bolts,
Time to
bolts,
wake up
bolts.
Do we have to? That space witch is bad news, I tell you.
Oh, will you quit your whining, you darn fool? We're supposed to turn her over to the authorities. Now, come on.
And lonely space witch. Kidnapping all them Terracnoids, hurting all those helpless citizens. For shame.
Oh, hello there. I hear you're escorting Vendra Prague to the Ruska. You hang back while Kronk and I wake up Vendra.
Deactivating credits. Our prisoner 9971. Prague. Vendra. Please stand by. Error. Power fluctuation detected. Power fluctuation detected.
What's happening?
It's her! I knew this was a bad idea!
Everyone okay? Where are you guys?
I'm here, Rook!
I see ya. Hang on, Kronk. Zeph, are you in here?
Down here.
We must find a magnetic surface for the grab boots.
Look to your right, Rook. Should be one over there.
I see it. Better get to the containment wing and make sure Vendra's locks are still engaged. You guys gonna be okay?
We'll be fine. You go ahead. Kronk and I will work on restoring gravity.
Now, I want to just say that I wish I could have boots like that, because that would be so awesome to just have. And man, and I just want to say, because this has popped in my head, that if you could choose to be into any video game possible that has been made already, which game would it be? And I want you to please leave a comment down below on your answer, if you will, please.
We will need to do something about those hydraulic locks. Omni Blaster should take care of them. Hang on.
Okay, now to continue. I just wanted to, you know, get more bowls here. Shoot these meteors so we don't die here. Okay, let's get up here.
Guys, see? No sweat.
Airlock secure.
Okay. Get down here. Put this up.
Ring unlocked. Please stand clear of the prisoner.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, you made it. Come on in.
We will need those battery bots in order to restore the proton field.
Do you always listen to what your little robot has to say?
Stay where we can see you, Vendra. We're just here for the proton field.
You're not afraid of little old me, are you? Not after all you've done.
First one is honestly easy.
That seems a bit too easy. Let's have some fun.
Of course. There we go.
Proton field restored.
Yeah.
Good job, rookie. Croc and I have
No.
rerouted the power to an external generator. It'd be a real help if you could activate it for us. It's outside the ship through the next airlock.
Bye, Ratchet. I'll see you soon.
Sorry about that, guys. Little interruption. Looks like we've ran out of time really fast. I'll see you guys next time on another gameplay of Ratchet and Clank into the Nexus. Alright, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And leave that comment down below about which game you would choose to be in if you could. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.